In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your Monday.com account step by step. Whether you want to protect important project data, create a safety copy before making big changes, or simply keep a record of your boards and workflows, having a proper backup is essential. I'll walk you through the full account backup process from start to finish, so you can do it quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. To begin, you need to make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account using an admin profile. The full account backup feature is only available to account administrators, so if you don't see the admin option, you may need to contact your account owner for access. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account and workspace settings. From this drop-down menu, select Admin. This will take you into the Administrative Settings area where you can manage account-level configurations. Inside the Admin section, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In this left sidebar, find and expand the General section if it's not already expanded. The General area contains overall account settings and important administrative tools. Under General, click on Account. This is where you'll find options related to your full Monday.com account configuration, including billing details, account information, and most importantly, the export and backup settings. After clicking on Account, scroll down through the page until you find the Export option. Once you locate it, click on Export. As soon as you do this, the backup process will begin. Monday.com will start generating a full export of your account data. Depending on the size of your account, the number of boards, items, updates, and files you have, this process may take some time. When the export is ready, you'll typically receive a notification or an email with a downloadable file. This file contains your account data in a structured format, which you can store securely on your computer or in cloud storage for safekeeping. It's a good idea to save this backup in a secure location, and if your data is critical, even maintain multiple backup copies. And that's it. That's how you back up your Monday.com account as an admin using the built-in export feature. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you from major headaches in the future if something ever goes wrong. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. I regularly share easy, step-by-step guides to help you get the most out of your favorite software tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.